It's me, Curtis. Today talking about Bok Choy, baby Bok Choy. Beautiful vegetable, absolutely tasty, wonderful, high in nutrition as well. Any of the leafy green vegetables have a great amount of vitamin A and some C. This vegetable is loaded, so try it out, okay? Don't like that one. Hi, I'm Curtis, and say hello to my little friend, baby Bok Choy. Wonderful vegetable. As you watch the recipe, I'm going to put some of the nutritional information in the scroll, so look for that. Crunchy, sweet tasting vegetable when it's cooked. Oh, you're going to love baby Bok Choy. Recipe is coming up. However, I wanted to show you this before we got going. Because the bottom portion is much thicker than the top, this is a way to help you cook everything evenly. I'm just going to slice those ever so slightly, just a bit there, okay? And the whole thing should cook about the same time. And I'm going to show you my secret to cooking vegetables that so easy. Coming right up. Okay, here we are over the stove. My ingredients, my bok choy, salt and pepper, you see that right there, some water, and then we need oil. I'm going to show you these beautiful oils. I want to show you these beautiful oils that Jenna and Cole, my son and daughter-in-law, gave us for Christmas. However, I'm not going to cook it with that oil. I'm going to drizzle some of that on after it is done. I'm just going to use some olive oil. So let's go ahead and add our bok choy, baby bok choy, to the pan. There is a difference in baby bok choy and the big bok choy. They both taste fabulous. It's just I believe the baby bok choy, in my humble opinion, has a sweeter taste. Okay, so we go ahead and arrange those in the pan like so, or any way you want to. Don't trip out on the way I do it, or feel like you are doing something wrong because you didn't do it the way Chef Curtis. I giggle when I say that. Okay, now it's going to add a little bit of water. That's about a little over half a cup of water. I'm going to pour that across the top of it. Push everything in. Let's turn the stove top on. There's a good flame there. And I want to bring this full up, okay? When I say full up, I want it to start to boil. I'm going to add some salt right on top there. And this is the Himalayan salt. No big deal. If you don't have it, just get Morton's. Mama used Morton's. It's good enough for Mama. It's good enough for me. Add some fresh ground pepper in there. And notice how it's heating up. I've got plenty of time. Now here's the trick. This is the way I cook. I dare say 99% of the vegetables I cook in my house, this method right here. Now I'm just going to drizzle some oil. I'm using olive oil here. You can use your favorite vegetable oil. Not too much, just enough there. And then I'm going to place a lid on the pan just as it starts to, the steam comes up. But yeah, we are steaming these. We're parboiling these. Any of those terms work. We're not going to let it overcook. I'm going to let these, once I see the steam come out like that, I want to get a full boil. I'm going to let these cook no longer than 6 minutes, and they'll be perfect. Let's see what time it is. Oh, it says 2:59 on the old Apple Watch. I shouldn't say old Apple Watch. It's the new Apple. Well, there's another one coming. There's another one out, but we'll check these in about 3 minutes. 3:02. Let's take a quick look, just a sneak a peek. Oh, that's cooking right along there. If you've noticed how the greens are starting to wilt over a bit, the white portion is starting to become kind of translucent. I'm just going to move these around just a little bit, just kind of, so I'm thinking ahead about plating now. I want to get everything in order for plating. Oh, it smells so good. 3:05. Let's turn this off. That's right at 6 minutes. Oh, look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Now we've got a little plate here. See if we can plate these up and get ready to sleeve them. Oh, did I rock my little, I think I did. Now remember, if you like your vegetables a little more al dente, just cook them, you know, 3 to 4 minutes is fine, okay? Oh, this reminds me of something my mama might do. Woo! Laura Bell, Curtis Akins, I miss you, baby. There we go. On today, we had our first woman of color become Vice President of the United States of America. I'm so happy, so proud of this country. So proud to be an American. Look at that. Well, let's come back and taste it, see what we got there. There's that gorgeous black truffle oil the kids gave us. Just a little, not too much. I'm just going to add a touch. A little goes a long way. Okay, let's give it a taste, see what we got. All right, here's the time to do my favorite part, the pudding. Putting it in your mouth, see how it tastes. Now this is that baby bok choy, and we add a little drizzle of the black truffle oil. Oh, it smells so good. Now, for those of you, wow, excuse me. Bok choy is a member of that cabbage family. So if you like cabbage, you're going to love baby bok choy or the full-grown bok choy. Thank you so much. Like what we're doing, keep watching. Tell a friend or three about my YouTube channel. Also, join me on Patreon. Help me change the world. Peace. I'm out. This bok choy. Ooh. Good stuff. Hey, baby, the bok choy is ready. Hey, it's me, Curtis. Today I'm talking about bok choy. Baby bok choy. Beautiful vegetable, huh? Isn't it gorgeous? Wow. It's like having two vegetables. Did I get three? It's like having two vegetables in one. This crunchy part here, you can eat it raw, although I think it's a little better when it's steamed just slightly. And this green, beautiful top part can be eaten like a salad or sauteed as well with garlic, onions. Absolutely fabulous. Stick around, I got a great recipe for you, and I'll drop some of the nutritional tips or information, I should say, in the lower case.